It was the night before Christmas and all through the house, not a creature was staring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, with hope that St. Nicholas would soon be there. Guys, I'm so excited to see you. It is the night before Christmas. I did not want to wait to do this upload. I was supposed to upload it yesterday, but I just realized that I was missing some of the material, so we are here today. Guys, if you want the whole recipe, go ahead and just click the link in the description box. You will find one-on-one coaching. You will find a Patreon. The Patreon has all of my recipes, candle making recipes, skincare recipes, everything is there. You will not be disappointed. We do live classes once a month, sometimes twice a month, sometimes 3 times a month. This month we got a Canva class next week, and we have a wig training before the end of the year. We try to squeeze both in to get you guys ready for the new year. All right, so now without further ado, let's talk about what we're going to be doing today. So today we're going to be making some cool hand sanitizers. Now listen, mine have glitter in it. You don't have to put any glitter, you don't have to put any mica, you don't have to do any of that. You can just make it plain, but the only thing is you are going to put fragrance in yours. Listen, these things are game changers, okay? Everybody knows that this time of year is the year where people usually have the sniffles, they are coughing. So most people are like, back up, back up, back up. So what more better way to tell people to back up with Gucci Guilty inside your hand sanitizer with, you know, a nice apple fragrance, or you could do something like, you know, Coach Poppy, who knows? You could do designer, you could just do something basic. Either way around, it is the perfect thing to do for this holiday season and also for the months to come. Hand sanitizer is something that will always sell, okay? So with that being said, guys, we are putting it into this nice, cute container. Now listen, if you guys want the vendor for these containers, I will give it to you without a problem. But you have to be a member of the Patreon, because that's where I put all of my vendors, okay? So if you need a vendor for the base that we'll be using today is very mild, very gentle on the skin. You don't have to worry about it drying your skin out. I tested it before you can get it, so you don't have to worry about that. It is so good. It blends with your fragrance. You don't have an issue with it blending with your fragrance, and it blends with just about any fragrance. If I could spend a whole lot of money on making it, you're going to definitely get a lot of bang for your buck. And also, listen, guys, I have a very good vendor. The vendor ships, I mean, very fast. Let's go ahead and get right into it. What you're going to need is a measuring cup. You're going to need a syringe. You're going to need your hand sanitizer base. And you're also going to need you some fragrance. Okay, so that's all you need. And also you're going to need a nice container to put it in. And I just have quite a few of these. So I'm just going to fill these up, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, so you're going to go ahead and fill up your container with some of this awesome hand sanitizer base. Then you want to add your favorite fragrance. Just remember, never go over 3% when it comes down to anything concerning the skin. You want to make sure that you stay within those safe usage rates. What I noticed about this base was when I first added my fragrance oil, it was very cloudy, and I didn't like it. But as I continued to stir it, that cloudiness kind of went away. But here's the thing. If you guys want to add color to it, it is completely fine. You just have to use water-based coloring, okay? The same coloring that you use in your bath bombs, you can use in this. But you have to use a very small amount, because you definitely don't want to dye the hands. Now grab your syringe and start filling up your container. This was the only way that I can get this sanitizer into this little tiny hole, and it worked out perfectly. As you continue to allow it to sit, those bubbles will eventually go away, so don't worry about the bubbles that you see right now. I'm very satisfied with the finished product, but do also remember that you have to allow this to sit for a few days just to kind of get that alcohol smell to go away. But just remember, it won't go away too much, because it is hand sanitizer and it's 70% alcohol. So this is the finished product, and I'm very pleased and very satisfied with it.